Yeah, hello everyone, and welcome to Smart Unlimited channel. Hope you are doing good and keeping safe. It is another beautiful day to be here with you. As always, this is one big platform where we share information that are hot and fresh in crypto space. As a matter of fact, as I always say, please, this is not a financial advice. However, it is just a platform where we share information that might be of benefit for anyone looking for information, seeking knowledge in crypto space. It is beyond crypto space now because a lot of activities, things are coming up in this space. If you are diligent enough to follow through, to be mentored, to learn, you can actually start earning some passive income from this development and innovation that are happening at the moment. And having said that, if we are coming here for the first time, I say welcome. Please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your loved ones. And if you are coming back again as my subscriber, I say welcome. Thank you very much for being there always. I appreciate you dearly. Having said that, let's go straight to the business of the day. I will be talking about Trust Wallet today because Trust Wallet is bringing to us, to our doorstep, to our screen, to our mobile apps, whatever devices you are using, how to buy real world assets live and direct with the tips of your finger. That is, you just have a few clicks and you have them in your Trust Wallet. By the way, Trust Wallet is a crypto Web3 interface platform with over 200 million users. You see, that is massive, and you can actually trust this space to have one of the best security, privacy, and what have you, to keep you safe in this crypto space. And crypto Trust Wallet is also a non-custodian, self-custodian self-custodian interface whereby you are in control of whatever happens there. You set a transaction, you can receive, you can send, you can also save and store crypto you have here. So having said that, just like an introduction to Trust Wallet, what I'm particularly about telling you today is this real world asset that we now have on Trust Wallet. In essence, you can now buy stocks, bonds, and ETF that are sold directly from the stock exchange markets here directly on your Trust Wallet. Stocks like Tesla, Amazon, and Apple, you can have them directly. You hear that right. So let me just walk you straight to how to get these. Number one, you need to download Trust Wallet. If you don't have it yet, you can download on your phone, on your tablet, and you can also use the extension. For this video, I'm using the browser extension version. And now, how do you get started? We will be using the browser extension mode, and you will need Ethereum, that is USDC on Ethereum blockchain, to do it, because this is the only asset you can actually use to swap. And these are being brought to Trust Wallet by Ondo Finance. Ondo Finance supplies Trust Wallet with these tokenized bonds, stocks, while Inch enables us to be able to swap on Trust Wallet. And Trust Wallet, you know already, give us opportunity to send, to receive, and to store our real world asset. That is fantastic, and there is massive. So let's go straight to how to get this done. Like I said, number one, you need USDC, a stable coin on Ethereum blockchain. After you've got that, let's go straight to you see at the bottom of the screen, you can see the swap. You click the swap here, it opens a new interface. For me, let me check if I have a few USDC. Still browsing for a few seconds. Let's see. Yeah, if I click this, it's It's going to take me to that space. Click. If it's been added already, go back. Let me swap it. Take it to the front. No, so that means I don't have any USDC. So what I would do is to go back to Ethereum. Click the Ethereum here. Let me take it back up. Then let me swap a few Ethereum for USDC. For example, let me do 0.0001, 0.001. So that will be like $4. So let me do like swap. Let me see what's going to happen. So I will be spending like 0.03 USD for the transaction fee, and I'll be getting these at the end of the day. So let's click swap. It will ask me to approve the transaction on the side. There's a few seconds, still buffering. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, let me confirm this. Just follow me. Let's follow through. Let's see. Now it's buffering here. Now the smart contract is spending, working it out for me to hold my asset. Just a few seconds, just stay by. Yeah, I think it's done now. So let me try to go back to the home page and see if it's there now. Now fast, you see, just a snap of the finger. It's there. I have my USDC sitting in my wallet now. So let me now go back to the swap to now show you how to get this done. So let me go to USDC here. I have USDC. Take it to the up. Now this is where the trick is. We will need to search what we wanted to swap for, as a matter of fact. Let me go for example, let me go for the Tesla. Sorry, it's A. Now when you're searching for this, because of so many contract addresses that are not legit, that are not authorized, Trust Wallet have actually done a massive security check for us. You will see that these are different. Tesla on, this is the legit real world asset you will need to buy, and this is, you can see RWA and state Ondo tokenized. Like I said earlier, Ondo Finance is supplying Trust Wallet with the reward asset that is being built on the blockchain. So you have to be very, very, very careful with this. So this is what we do. Let me go to Amazon as well. If it's there, AMZN. Yeah, you can see as well, Amazon token is also there, that has been tokenized. Let's see, Apple, APL, APP. Yeah, you can see as well, Apple is there. And which other one? The QQQ. You can also see Invesco is there as well. So you have to be very careful when you're swapping this real world asset. Make sure they carry the RWA, and underneath you can see Ondo tokenized. This is a fantastic security check for us by Trust Wallet. Kudos to them for doing this for us to be safe. So let's go back to the Tesla. Hey, for example, I want to buy the Tesla asset. Are you a US citizen? So this is just a check. So you can actually say, I am not a US citizen. If you are, please declare it. So this is what we can how to swap it. I've actually been able to put the Tesla here, and now Trust Wallet and the swapping give us the privilege of doing like a minimum of $1. That's as low as $1. You can actually do that. Then another thing to note is I have them set on Ethereum blockchain. If I click this, I can actually change the blockchains I want to use. But for this purpose and for swapping successfully, both has to be on the Ethereum blockchain. Then how much of this USDC do I want to swap for my Tesla asset? Then let's see. Let me do like 0.0001. Let me know 0.09 0.05. It's too small. 0.05. No route available. Let me see. 0.05. Not available. So now the issue is this is on a Saturday. Now this is another thing to note. Unlike crypto that you can actually swap 247, stocks, bonds, and ETF, they only work 245. That is from only Mondays to Friday. So on the weekend, the market is short. So we can't actually swap this successfully today, but I've actually been able to show you how to swap it. Crypto gives you opportunity to come into the market, to come into the space 247. You can send, you can buy, you can receive, you can save 247. Now, the disadvantage of this or a con of this reward asset is they can be only swapped or bought during the live market, that is from Mondays to Friday. But I'm doing this video on a Saturday. That means it's showing me no route available. So this is just an advantage for us to understand how this thing actually works. I believe I've been able to show you, to clear to you that you can actually hold this asset on your Trust Wallet. In summary, you need to download your Trust Wallet on your devices, your phone, your tablet, or use the browser extension like the one I'm using now. Trust Wallet gives you opportunity to send, to receive, and to tokenize any asset as you want to buy. This reward asset new system is brought to us by Ondo Finance, supplied by Ondo Finance, swap enabled by Inch Fusion, and Trust Wallet give us opportunity to receive and send it, and to store as self-custodian wallet. You can also buy Apple, Amazon, Tesla, and the likes for now. But if you are a UK citizen, you are a resident of US, UK, and EU, you are not eligible to do it. Please make sure you are eligible to do it. And like I always say, this is not a financial advice. I'm just here to share information with you. And please, if you don't subscribe, kindly subscribe. Thank you very much. Till next time, I'm coming your way. I say, God bless you and stay out of trouble. Cheers.